Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be building the Lego Ninjago Jay's Cyber Dragon. This set comes with 518 pieces, 5 minifigures, and it's 8 and up. So without further ado, let's get building. Okay, let's open this. Bag 2. Bag 3, kablamo. That big boy instructions. Stickers. Bag 4. Boom. Bag 1. That's it. Now, let's get building.
Depuis un quart d'heure,
Hey guys, I've just finished this awesome build. This set's really cool. So right here is the main build of the set, Jay's Cyber Dragon. I've heard in the new season that the ninjas get trapped inside a video game, so they only could use what they scavenge up or find. So this set's pretty cool. There's like a fire mechanism, so you press down the button and boom, boom, some bolts come out. And is it just me, or does this set actually look like some sort of insect? Like, look at the wings. And then right here on his tail, there's some nice swords to slice up enemies. And then here is what everyone tries to get, the mystery katanas. I don't know what they're called, but there's something like this. And then this is the main destroyer of the whole thing, the emperor of the prime empire. And then, so he's the prime empire. And then over here are 2 minions, Richie and like Hari or something. And right here is Nia, her new uniform. And that's pretty much all. If you think this set was good, comment down below. If you liked this video, like the video. And if you like both of those, subscribe. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.